So I said I would bring you back, YouTube, when I dig deeper into PO411, secondary air injection, incorrect flow issues. I'll just give you a little hint. Lack of maintenance is the reason why this is like that. So do you see this hole there? This works just like an EGR. Takes cold air, pumps it into the exhaust. You can't even take the top apart because the bolts that hold that together are rusted and seized in there. So see how big that one's open? A little bit of maintenance, right? A little bit of maintenance. Teaching your customer how to maintain this specific engine would go a long way. So when this car could actually come apart, these bolts, a little bit of carburetor cleaner, brake clean, anything to help reduce the deposits that are built up, right? So if this is clogged, we know we're clogged inside there too. And if you know the throttle body's dirty, what does that tell you?
The intake's dirty.
These people don't maintain shit. Maintenance goes a long way. And then people come in here and cry, oh, why so much? Why does it cost so much? If you did absolutely just a little bit of maintenance to your car, you wouldn't be in here for these problems.
Little cost up front saves the cost in the long run.
Yep.